Get ready with me while I do a quick face this morning. It's a gloomy Tuesday outside, but I'm here to brighten it up for you. I'm using the Magic's Wand foundation sticks, and you can also use them as contour sticks. You can also use them as concealers. You can use them for a bunch of different things. Just take used to call these toothbrush brushes when they first came out. Just blend. Now I'm taking the FMG Glimmer Blush in, it's a Cranberry Crush. It's a fun color. I love how big it is. It's a really great, fun, very pigmented. Very pigmented blush, and just brings a little more color to my face. I always try to make sure I get around the hairline too. The Creme Shop bronzer in Aurora. You can tell I've used this a few times. One of my favorite bronzers. Has a lovely shimmer. Look at that gold shimmer. All right. Have not had a chance to get enough sun this summer. I'm going to try to put some down here. All right. My favorite powder is FMG Cashmere Powder Foundation, but I love using this as my setting powder. And it gives it a really nice finished look. I also like doing a little baking under the eyes with it. It's not too light, so it gives a really natural finish kind of a look. This Tipsy Brow Crayon is wonderful because it has a slanted tip, and then you have gel on the other end. So it's really fantastic for drawing and setting your brows. My brows are such a big deal now because they're just like putting a whole new brow on every time I do my makeup. And then I do the other one on this side. This side hits a little higher. So, and it grows in a little differently. So I do my drawing, I do my angle of the pencil a little different because I have more to fill in over here. A lot more to fill in. Then I go back to my Magic's Wand, and I just go a little under here, under my brows. And then I take a little baby brush, just a little baby angled brush, just to kind of clean it up, make it look a little neater. Soften that up a little bit more. Sort of sharpen certain edges, and it softens at the same time, if that makes any sense. Now I'm taking the Tigress Quad. This is one of our new matte quads, which is really an FMG Glimmer line with really great, warm, fabulous color, fluffy brush, dipping into the peach. This top peach color, it's a really pretty peach. Really pretty. Peachy keen. Then I'm taking the Mistress Quad, which is one of our older shimmer quads, but I love this burgundy right here. This is so pretty. I'm putting this in the upper corners and blending it into that peachy shade. Doing it on either side, and then just blending it in. Then I take a little bit of that burgundy color and I just do a little smoky underneath with the edge of the brush. The edge of the fluffy brush. Back to the Aurora bronzer, I'm using a fluffier light brush. Putting that on my lids. And the inner corner too. And then taking that up to the brow. For a nice warm shimmer. Nice warm shimmer. A little in here. Opening that up. Now I'm taking the Glimmer lip liner in Red Brick. Lining my lips. Doing just a quick lip line. All right. Not all the way around, I leave the corners out. Taking the Mattitude Matte Liquid Lip in Ambitious. I always wipe, it's a wonderful doe foot, angled doe foot, but I always wipe the edges because it's a very thick formula. It's a really gorgeous warm nude. Coordinates with everything. Coordinates with everything. Just do a little more under here. Match under here. If I want to add a little bit more pop on the eyes, I'll take this shimmer, light shimmer from the Mistress Quad that was above that burgundy I used, and pop that on my lid just a little bit more. Then I can also use this as a highlight. Look at that. Gorgeous shimmer. And I can also then pop it on the center right here, just to kind of tie it all in. Blackest Black Glimmer eyeliner. This is the cream formula. There's also a waterproof, and there's also a diamond one that has a sparkle. So we have 3 different types of eyeliners in the Glimmer line. So then I draw in the corner, going out. Just angle it into the lash line, and then from that corner out, just slightly to underneath. And the same thing on this side. Then mascara, I take the Love at First Lash Waterproof, which has a great angled, shaped brush, curved on both sides. I do a couple of coats with this, and then I finish up with the Love at First Lash Regular, which I love to do for lash separation. So now I'm taking the Regular, which has a straight brush, and I go over that just for a little extra pop and a little extra lash separation. And it's just amazing what that little extra pop will do. Extra pop. Then a little bit of makeup setting spray, get the hair out of the way. Boom. It's like a very soft, natural daytime, but it's like with some fun, vibrant colors. So what do you think? Follow for more. See you next time. Bye.